Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 5 students, hello again. I am Ahmed Al Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today, inshallah, we will study Unit 5 Friendship, Lesson 4. Please open your skills book to page 44. This page. What are the aims of this lesson? Let's check. Unit 5 Friendship, Lesson 4, Skills Book pages 44 and 45, Activities 1, 2, and 3, Classbook page 53, Activity 4. The aims. In this lesson, students will do further revision of the question words, order words in questions, identify correct question words, read a poem, and answer questions. Let's go to page 44 of your skills book. Grammar. Let's look at grammar. Question words. What? We use this when we want to find out more information about something. Who? We use this when we want to find out about a person or people. How? We use this when we want to know the way something happened or to ask about the manner. Which? We use this when we want to identify a particular thing. Where? We use this when we want to know about the location of something or the place. When? We use this when we want to know about the time of something. Why? We use this when we want to find out the reason for something. Whose? We use this when we want to find out who owns something or when we ask about ownership. Remember here, begin a question with a capital letter and end it with a question mark. And you know that. Note, questions can also be formed by using an auxiliary word. For example, do you like pizza? Can she speak French? Did you see him? And this kind of questions is called yes no question. Activity 1. Order and write. Put the words in each sentence below into the correct order. Write the sentences on the lines. Add a question mark at the end of each one. You are asked here to put these words in order to make questions. Bag, what, new, is, color, your. What color is your new bag? This is done for you. Souk, you, when, going, to, are, the. 3. Are, today, why, you, tired. Teacher, you, is, your, who. Live, where, friend, does, your. To, how, you, do, school, come. Use your pencil to do this activity, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. Number 1 is done for you. Number 2. When are you going to the souk? When are you going to the souk? And put a question mark at the end of the question. 3. Are today why you tired? Why are you tired today? Yes. Why are you tired today? And a question mark at the end. Number 4. Teacher, new, is, your who? Who is your new teacher? Number 5. Live where friend does your. Where does your friend live? The last one. How do you come to school? Okay, let's go to page 45. Activity 2. Read and complete. Complete each question with one of the phrases in the box. How much? How many? How often? How long? Do you visit your uncle? Did you stay in Nizwa? People live in Rustak. Did your new bag cost? You are asked here to complete questions with one of these phrases. Take your time and do the activity, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. The first one is how often. How often is used to ask about the times, how many times. Number 2, how long. Number 3, how many. Number 4, how much. And it is used to ask about the price. Activity 3. Read and circle. Read Maha's email to her new friend Sally. Circle the correct question words. 2. Sally@ikc.com. From Maha@ikc.com. Subject: Hello from Oman. Dear Sally, you have here two question words. How, who are you? My name is Maha. I live in Oman. What, where do you live? I am 11 years old. Who, how old are you? I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. How long, how many brothers and sisters do you have? My favorite food is pizza. When or what is your favorite food? My best friend is called Huda. What or who is your best friend? When or why don't you come to Oman and visit me? When or which would you like to come? Bye for now, Maha. Now, take your time and use your pencil to circle the correct question words, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. Let's circle the correct question words. Yes, how are you? Where do you live? I am 11 years old. How old are you? How many brothers and sisters do you have? My favorite food is pizza. What is your favorite food? My best friend is called Huda. Who is your best friend? When or why don't you come to Oman and visit me? Why don't you? This is an expression we use to make suggestions. When or which would you like to come? When. Yes. Bye for now, Maha. Let's go to page 53 of your class book. Activity 4. Yes. Read, think, and speak. Read the poem below, then talk about the questions underneath. 6 honest helpers. I have 6 honest helpers. They taught me all I knew. Their names are what and why and when and how and where and who. This is a poem adapted from a poem by Rudyard Kipling, 1865 1936. Now you will listen to this poem, then try to answer these two questions. Let's listen.
Listening 5.3. The 6 helpers. I have 6 honest helpers. They taught me all I knew. Their names are what, and why, and when, and how, and where, and who.
Now let's read the questions. 1. Who are the writer's 6 helpers? 2. How do they help him? Try to write the answers, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. Who are the writer's 6 helpers? Yes. What, why, when, how, where, and who. Let's write here. Number 1. What, why, when, how, where, and who are the writer's 6 helpers. Yeah. 2. How do they help him? They help him gain information. By using them to ask questions. By this we've achieved the aims of this lesson. Thank you for following me. See you soon in another lesson. Goodbye.